What's up, y'all? It's Cambian Outdoors. Me and Pawpaw gonna go to the river. We'll see how this day turns out. Should be a good day. High tide. We after bluegill, shell crackers, bass, jackfish, anything that'll bite on a cricket wiggler or soft plastic. We'll see how it turns out. I'll see y'all. What is that?
You got that log. Well, you got a fish to it.
Yeah. Good thing.
Yep. Oh, that's pretty good.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, one of those bull breams. No, it ain't. Another big female. That's pretty good size. What is that, a shell cracker?
Kind of looks like a shell cracker.
That's a shell cracker.
That is a shell cracker.
That is.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's good.
That's why it was fighting like that. Pretty good size one too.
Yeah. Is that a bull? No.
Must a hen. That. Whoever that was robbing me of my bait. To the right of that treetop. The low bluegill.
There you go.
Whoa!
That's so good, like a little.
Nah. Pretty good. I should have blistered him a whole lot sooner than I did. bunch of them, you say? Yeah, you just give me a minute. Look at here, look at here. Hey, what are you doing? Ooh. No, I'm trying to fish right in front of this dock to see if they move out to feed out here.
Yeah, I've caught them out there.
Like out there in front of them. I'm in the wrong place, but you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
That's exactly where I want to be. They might move out in the sunlight so they can see them, whatever they eating down there. Yep.
Get him.
Oh, one.
That'd be bigger than you thought it was.
A little bit. Not by much.
Not by much.
Not by much.
Alright.
Moving like a catfish.
What?
Moving like a catfish. It's not doing no real solid.
The hunting the bottom?
Yep.
Oh my.
It ain't doing a lot of twisting. It ain't no shell cracker. Don't feel like a bluegill.
I think it's catfish. It may not be. That's
What
the
the
one
hell?
that's like.
Oh, it's a turtle.
No.
Oh,
Sure
you
enough.
have got to be kidding me.
It is. I see him. A big one.
A big one too. I'm gonna fight this thing for another 30 minutes, make a YouTube video. It sure is a turtle. And I'll let him have it for a while too. I'll let him have it for a while too.
Well, get him up here. Get him on there.
Well, that's a little, he weighs a little bit more than a trophy bluegill, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I know he does.
You just wait. I got something planned for you, old son. Look at you. God almighty. Huh? Man. On the river too. I've only done that one other time. Look at the claws on that sucker too.
Yeah.
Good Lord, I dread this right now.
What are you doing?
What am I gonna what? Alright, that's enough out of you. Alright, look here. Here's what you gonna do. They like them crickets, don't they?
I'm gonna keep that other fella. He's bleeding. I'll give him.
Yeah. Well. Oh, maybe not. My knot is right there. Can you keep that? Can you keep that line taut just a hair? Just keep it taut. A little bit more taut than that. All right, there we go. Got it. You can let go. Where is the point of my hook now? Wildlife conservation. Save the turtles, they said. Save the turtles. I know that hurts. You should not have done this to yourself. by the sound of your cork hitting the water, you just that's a bass. No, 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 I'm good. You pay attention. Whatever that is worth saving. What?
What are you doing?
Threw my fish back. I didn't kill him. Watch your cork. Watch my cork. What am I talking about? Is that a hen? Yeah, that's a hen, all right. And the hook set is fine too. Look at that. A wink. There's one. Pretty good one too. Of course, I get the short end of the stick.
That's a big old female. You got a mess of fish in it. I guess you know that.
Yes, and you keep keeping them.
Well, you want me to start throwing them back?
Yes, please.
You throw that one back?
Yep. Expert. Free food, end of my line. Free food over here. Watch your cork. How's that for expert? Huh? You heard what I said?
What?
I said, how's that for expert?